Gold prices surpassed the $4,500 per ounce mark for the first time on Wednesday, while silver and platinum hit new record highs amid a surge in investor demand for precious metals driven by safe haven buying and expectations of further US interest rate cuts next year. Spot gold rose 0.1% to $492.51 an ounce after hitting a record high of $4,525.19 either in the session. US gold futures for February delivery also climbed 0.3% to a record high of $4,520.60 an ounce. The price of silver rose 1.2% to $72.27 an ounce after hitting an all-time high of $72.70, while platinum jumped 3.3% to $2,351.05 after reaching a historic high of $2,377.50 an ounce. The price of platinum also rose by about 2% to $1,897.11 an ounce, its highest level in 3 years. Gold has risen by more than 70% since the beginning of the year, its biggest annual gain since 1979, supported by demand for safe havens, expectations of US interest rate cuts, strong purchases by central banks, and inflows into exchange traded funds. Silver prices rose by more than 150% during the same year, outperforming gold, driven by strong investment demand and its inclusion in the list of lethal metals in the United States. In contrast, platinum and palladium prices continued to rise during the current year, with platinum rising about 160%, while platinum has made gains exceeding 100% since the beginning of the year.